We're so excited for where we're going today. Last night we stayed at the Walmart parking lot and we went inside to look at games. And we're in there and we saw Cookeville Monopoly and Cookeville Monopoly. And there was a picture on there.
And it was beautiful. And I was like, why have we not seen this? And it said it was the Cummins Falls State Park. So we Googled it and it was this beautiful waterfall and that people can swim at, and you have to get a permit. So we went online, got a permit, and that's where we're going this morning. So we will show you, and we are so excited.
I wanna run with you, I wanna let go. Arms open wide with a life to call our own. Ooh, let's run away. Ooh, never be afraid. We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go from here? I wanna chase down every dream we've had. Live every moment like it's gonna be our last. Ooh, let's disappear. Ooh, turn away from fear. We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? The light in our eyes, it won't give way to the night. We'll keep on reaching, reaching up to the sky. Reaching up to the sky. The light in our eyes.
Oh my gosh, guys, this exceeded every expectation we had. It is so beautiful. It's only like a 20-30 minute hike down to this place, and you get across to the river, so make sure that you have water shoes or shoes that you're okay with getting wet and that will stay on your feet. It requires a permit. It's only $6 a person, so it's only $12 for us, which was so cheap for this place. It is beautiful. We love it.
Yeah, it's awesome. The water is actually like a great temperature. You jump in and it's not like a shock of like, oh, that's cold. You jump in, it's like, wow, this is nice. Underneath the waterfall on that first little ledge, the water coming off the rocks is actually pretty warm. It's probably like 70-degree water, so it feels really good. Highly recommend this place. It's just 30 minutes out of Cookeville.
Cookeville, Tennessee. So if you're ever here, come here. Also, try to come in the morning. When we came around 10 a.m., there was a lot less people. Now there's a lot more when we're leaving. So morning and I think weekday. Weekends and Saturdays sell out pretty quickly. Try to do it on a weekday if you can. Get your permit early and watch weather. Flash floods can come here and it can actually be really dangerous. So make sure you watch your weather, and they will close it down if there is rain or flash floods here. So make sure to look at that to prepare, and if you're ever in Tennessee, check this place out. It's so awesome. 12 out of 10 recommend.
We do.
And we can go anywhere. So where do we go? We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. You love dancing in the rain. You never mind a cloudy day. You make the world a better place love dancing in the rain. You love talking on the phone. You do things other people don't. You make sure no one feels alone. You love talking on the phone.
We made it to Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
We got here pretty late last night, around 5, 6, so not super late. We went to Cades Cove. It's all right, in our own opinion.
It took a long time
Yeah.
for what it was.
People just drive like 15 miles an hour around the whole thing, and
It's a one-way, so it's a loop.
Yeah.
You have to follow behind those cars.
yeah, I would say 25 should be the minimum, because it just drug on, and it's a lot of the same. I mean, we did get to see a bear, which was cool, and a turkey, and a lot of horses. I would never have to do it again. But then the rest of the park, it was super cool. Like, I can see why they call it the Smoky Mountains, because it's weird. You get up there and they just have like the fog in them, so they look smoky. So it's super cool. It's very green, like everywhere. As you can see behind us, super green.
We got to our campground late at night. It was like almost 10 p.m. There were bugs everywhere. I did not go outside. It was terrifying. We have a bug screen, but then the back door was open because Nathan was just getting some supplies. He wanted to do a fire, and I was down for it until I saw the size of bugs that were coming into our bus, and I was freaked out. But
They're
I
like
was.
flies like this big.
I was crouched down in the corner, and it was not okay. We'll show you the picture here. In the morning, we got to sleep in because it was so shady that the sun didn't really wake us up, and we are used to Central Time, and so this is Eastern Time now in the park, so we were an hour ahead. For the morning, we have planned we want to go to Laurel Falls. It is the most popular hike in this park, but we're super excited. It's only about 2.3 miles round trip, and we've seen pictures and it's really pretty. We also just want to do some more scenic routes and outlooks, and then also go to Klingsman Dome, which is at the very top of the park, and you get to walk around and see.
Yes, a whole 360 panorama.
I found you. I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did I get so lucky? You love riding on the train. You'd rather life not be a race. You're always finding your own way. You love riding on the train. Don't know how I found you. I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did I get so lucky? You love dancing in the rain. You never mind a cloudy day. Make the world a better place. You love dancing in the rain. Don't know how I found you. I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did I get so lucky?
is it called?
I can't remember.
Something Dome.
Clingman Dome.
Clingman Dome, that's where we're at. It's like you're walking through clouds, and so it's like misty. Like it almost is like a small rain, but I don't know if it's raining because down at the bottom it's not. It's weird.
So Klingsman's Dome, it was cool, but we were kind of in a rainstorm. We were like in the clouds, so you get up there to get a view, 360 view of everything, but we just got fog. But it was still really cool because it was like we were like walking through mist.
And then our hike was really fun. Actually, it was, like I said, the most popular hike. And that's where we saw our second bear right off the trail. It's not
like
the best.
20 yards away.
Not the best video because I was scared that bear was going to get us. So I was farther away than
I
Nathan.
had a great view, and I thought she was going to get a different view. So I was like, okay, she's probably going to get a better view. And then he like turned and it was like perfect, but I didn't have my phone out.
And I was running away.
It's all right. I was enjoying it.
Yeah, the waterfall was super pretty, definitely family friendly and easy hike. And we had really good weather. It was cool. And so it was super nice hike there. Thanks for watching. Catch us next week for our new travel videos.